So what's up my people? It's your girl all things Africa, Nana here. It's Monday. So today, actually I'm still the Kissy babe and a Kenyan YouTuber. So actually today I'm preparing Mandazi and tea for breakfast. Let me just do a cleanup first and then I do my cooking. I told you guys I've decided to be doing cooking vlogs and it's morning, so don't mind about the voice. But sijaamka vizuri. So stay tuned for more and remember to always put your notification bell on so that you're notified with my videos, and also subscribe, share, and like my channel. Support the channel. Thank you for watching my last vlog of cooking for the ugali and skoma. I love you, my subscribers. Doing the dish first. I have to do the cleanup. Tell me how umepanga ni nini. Kitu wapi? Finished doing the dishes. There is my tea. Only today I'm preparing breakfast, and there is my milk from the Mandazi. This is all I use for preparing my Mandazis. I prefer self-raising eggs because I don't need to put many things. So I'll put all of these plus 3 eggs. And let me show you. Sugar and salt. Kneading is the same process, by the way, my people from diaspora. Kneading it is the same process as making the chapati, but now the difference is I'm not using the all-purpose, I'm using the self-raising. Yeah, you can choose to use the all-purpose, but now all-purpose you need to have many ingredients like baking powder, eggs, and all that. But for this one, it's only this. By the way, even this one you can use it to make cakes. For this self-raising, I'll only use this and eggs only. You see, you make sure you boil your tea kabisa, because maziwa za siku hizi, make sure inachemka. That's how real tea is. And by the way, this is one packet of 500 mils. It's 500 mils of milk. I've used Ilara and 2 tablespoons of tea leaves. That's the up close. That's how tea supposed to boil. Chai. By the way, that's milk for Mandazi. Let me show you the process of Mandazi. I feel my voice is not bado ijakuwa juu, bado I'm this way. Now we use 3 eggs, you see. Pinch of salt, and then sugar. That's how I do my Mandazis. Milk, we start first. This is the mixture of fruits. Put milk. It's lukewarm. Remember, this is lukewarm, it's not that hot. Washed my hands. You see me washing because it's here. It's just the same process. You can even choose to put lemon. You grate lemon and put here, but today I'm not doing all that process. You continue kneading it until it's not sticking in your hands. Stay tuned for more. Arena, you put little oil, by the way. The reason why I'm putting oil and the other reason why I'm using milk and eggs is to make it equal soft. But it's not sticky. It's not sticky. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it for like 15 minutes. Don't worry, I'm the woman behind the camera. I'm the one doing all these things. So I'm going to cover it for like 30 minutes, and then I come. We do the same process, but because today it's my duty to prepare breakfast, I have to do all the things to the lat. I've seen, I've cleaned the dishes, and I've done all that. So I read somewhere in the news that watoto wasichana wamekuwa na pregnancies. Mbona mnisikie you stop cohabiting jamani? There's life ahead of you. You need to enjoy your life before having kids. Maisha ni ngumu sana. I told you, being pregnant and kulea mtoto is another thing. So stop cohabiting, my girl child. Nawapenda sana. And by the way, you tell me where your festive and holiday, what were you doing? Yeah? I need to be there because mine has started officially. Even if I'm broke, but now mine has started. So it's about the channel. And for my virtual subscribers, I still love you. I see you always, and you're very loyal. You're always watching my videos, which is okay. Help me get to know what you want me to do next in my next video. In my next video, stay tuned for more, and don't forget to support the channel as I'm still manifesting for GoPro 8. It's still Black Friday, and so I'm back after 30 minutes. It's supposed to be, guys. This pan here need to assure the water temperature must be high for it to heat, so that I can dip the mandazis there. You need to take good care of yourself, my girls, because you don't expect your mother to take care of you or your father. Both of them are at work doing some work, so you need to be very responsible and to take care of yourself. Then what are you wanapotea? Unashangaa what is this going round? Hata kama economy imekuwa mbaya, why should you do such things? Why didn't address to such things? Let me start doing my mandazis. This is the part I hate. Told you. But at least they inanga process kubwa kuna nini. Just make a big circle. You don't apply. By the way, have you noticed you don't apply the cooking oil like chapati? Because I already did it. Baby partner to me was fun. I'm supposed to cut into smaller pieces. That's how you're supposed to cut into smaller pieces. I don't know what's wrong with my voice today. It's easy by the way preparing mandazi than chapati to me. I find it easy. These kids are going back to school, so you need to make sure these are the essentials. And the students will go back to school in peace. So the heat imekuwa, so this is how we do it. You drop. Mbona zimeanza kufuda? You see? Wait until they turn to brown. What time do you want me to cook? I still also to cook spaghetti, beef, and ugali. I will do that. So wait until they turn to brown. Yes, my people. Look at them. See the way they are soft. Only the reason why I put milk and nini, those are soft. These are Mandazi. How do you rate them from a scale of 1 to 10? Don't you call me, guys, I cook for you. I'm here. Today I'm doing it all by myself. I'm trying. I'm really trying. That's how you dip them. You see, I've cut into small pieces. And I've showed you how I've roll. How do I call this video? Is it a morning routine or how do I call it, guys? How do I call it? Na lockdown inaendelea. We're waiting for the Christmas. This is the first Christmas we're doing while in lockdown. But me, I'll try and enjoy as much as possible. Because I have life. God has given me life in good health. So I'll enjoy as, and you know, the good thing, I have family. We'll enjoy with our family. Whatever little we have, we'll still enjoy. Yeah. My people, tell me what you want me to do. Regarding the mistaken identity one, I told you to give the other video like 200 likes. This one, when you give many likes and you keep on watching, I'll tell you the story and what happened to me if I went to God. I even did not have any guts of doing the live video because I was in very bad moods. And you know when you're in bad moods, how you do it. May I prefer them in this color. You know, you never find us good dark brown, but me, I normally like them in their like brown. But I also know how to cook mahamri. I'll do that also. I'm in the mood of cooking because apparently ugali na sukuma imetubo. So we are trying as much as possible to eat what is making us feel like we are in our penda sana watu wangu. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to smash that like button, share it, and also support the channel was safe. Ama mnapenda nikitumia simu, smash that like, support the channel. By the way, full it's good thing, it's good for you to like kupendua. Ki English ni ngumu to turn them, yeah. When you turn them, and then I love cooking. I think I'll go to culinary school to perfect my cooking. Because I've seen procurement is not really working, but it works. I tell you guys, I shop for people and they pay me. Like I have an order, I'm supposed to shop for someone carpet in Mombasa, and then the good thing, at least kuna mabasi yuko za kuenda Mombasa ni mdelivie and 1 week. She's already paid me. I'm supposed to do that for her. Even so, the cooler box I bought for someone. Clients wengi, and I was recommended by someone, my subscribers. They're the one who recommended, but I'm still working as usual. You know, I'm rolling, cutting as I'm good partner. Until December, it's a 1 kg. Yeah, it's a 1 kg. Wacha watu ongeze weight. December ni ya kunona. Those stones we don't care. January will do workouts. But right now, wacha tuongeze weight kuongeza. We are eating. There are some people who are in the hospitals, they don't even have. Hawana hata hiyo appetite ya kukula. Sasa wacha sisi tukule, tuongeze weight, tukule kukula. Weight baadaye. Don't want. Wait, baadaye. Yeah, I'm telling you, that place is very nice. You should head out there. I'm thinking of going back again there. Something that fascinated me. They have that a 3-liter thing beer. I was so surprised by them and fascinated. I know those things are there, but not in many clubs in Kenya. But sasa hiyo ilikuwa kwanza utawala. I'm telling you, guys, you should head out there. I really love that place. And another thing, what was I saying? Yeah, schools, rather than schools being open on 4th January, nothing else new by the way. We're just here unashangaa tu kwa nini watoto wanapotea. But you should be responsible. Imagine watu huko nje si wazuri. If you know corona has not affected you, you are not even sick. Just be responsible. No, depend. Please, I'm telling you, my girl child, I'm giving you this advice for free. You know nowadays that these people talk, people are open. Giving this advice for free, and I'm repeating. So forgive me for rambling, but please be responsible of yourself. No one is going to take care of you rather than you. And people, mwana ameanza amenifika nini, amenifikia height. Ebu let us tell her how she feels. Hizo mandazi in a taste charge, and just give us your honest opinion. How do you feel?
They're good.
Very good, eh? So what should I cook for you guys next time? Bajia, that one I'll do. So you've seen, I'll do whatever she tells me because she's my lovely cousin. Wambie bye watu wangu. Bye. And I'm done cooking the mandazis. I can't. Hey, I was thinking. Yani nifikiria blender. Nipike mandazi because I did sikuwa na nguvu, but because I promised my family I'm gonna cook for them mandazis rather than buying, I decided to cook for them the last batch. I've finished na hizo mandazi. Mnaonaje vile zinakaa also. Matter, I've told you, December is for gaining weight. Kukata weight baadaye January wakati wa njaa. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. Till next time, bye bye. Nawapenda wote.